Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So for last week we talked about creating class up to if. Wa alaikum assalam. Okay, sorry, someone tried to interrupt our class, but I just sent him away. So last week we talked about only what we have go cross over and we go through so many different things. So today we are going to talk about for loop statement as we did in the group just now. So this is what we are going to do now. Now let us create a new class. Sorry, it is a class, new Java project. Sorry, I'm too fast. New Java project. Let us name our project as UMG3. Enter. Now let us from UMG3 create a new class. Let us name our class UMG4. Let us create public static void main. So now you can see a class has been created. Now we are going to write our program. Therefore, to write for loop statement, let us say for int I is less than or equal to, let us make it to be 20, I plus plus for the incrementer. So let us use a command to show you what does all of it mean. For example, for init value, for example, we have an initial value, which the initial value is I is equal to 0, meaning that the compiler to initialize from 0, and we have a conditional statement I is less than or equal to 20, and we have an incrementer or decrementer of I plus plus. For now, let us print out our result. SYSO, control space, enter, double click to print it. Let us say, for example, I is equal to, sorry, is equal to for example, let it be I. Now let us save and run the program. You can see now the compiler initialized from 0, I is equal to 0, 1. It loop from 1 to 2, from 0 to 20, meaning that we have 6. Therefore, for I can be incremented or decremented. So now we have incremented I with plus plus. Then the compiler start adding 1 after 0, meaning that 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to 20, as we write in the for loop statement. Now let us use decrementer. Let us make our initial value to be, for example, 5. Let our statement be, for example, let it be greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to 0. It may not be possible this way. Greater than or equal to 0, and let the decrementer be minus minus. For now, let us Control S run to see output. You can see now the compiler start reading from is I equal to 5? Yes. Reducing 1, is I equal to 4? Yes. Reducing 1, is I equal to 3? Opt, is I equal to 1? Is I equal to 0? Since we said it will be greater than or equal to 0. So